Hi. So good morning. I just woke up. Technically it's not morning, it's about noon, but I just woke up, so it's morning. And I thought I would do a new vlog today since you guys liked the last ones that I did so much. So today I'm going to go get a little more filler in my cheekbones, and I'm going to just, you know, do some regular stuff. I'm going to do some laundry, I'm going to do some shopping. I might lay outside if I have the time for a little bit because the weather is so nice. Oh yeah, by the way, it's my birthday tomorrow, so yeah, so that is also why I'm getting a little more filler. I just want it to be like nice and filled for my b-day tomorrow. I'm turning 23. Anyways, I'm going to I haven't done anything yet. I'm going to do some skincare, take these braids out, get some breakfast, and yeah, I have my appointment in about an hour and a half. And by the way, I'm not going to like vlog the actual experience, but I am going to show you right before and right after. So yeah, anyways, do you guys want to see my kitchen? It's an absolute disaster right now. Like, it's actually kind of embarrassing, but yeah, I'm going to show you because it's wild. Do you guys see that? Just so many dirty dishes. I need to get my life together. Okay, so excuse my really dirty mirror, but yeah, I'm just going to do my skincare.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
Okay, so I'm all dressed. I got my skincare going. I got some sunblock on because it's really sunny today. It's lovely. It's also going to be really sunny tomorrow on my birthday. Of course, courtesy of me. Anyways, don't mind this huge fucking pimple and also this little one. I broke out yesterday. It's better than it was yesterday. I did a mask last night, but I mean, you can obviously still see it. And you guys, I'm sorry, I'm like sweating my ass off. It's so hot. But yeah, anyways, I got ready for the day, so now we can do some breakfast. And yeah, then I probably have to get going after that. So we are in the dining room now. I was a little bit embarrassed about being in the kitchen because it's so messy. But of course not embarrassed enough to actually do something about it. I'm going to clean the entire apartment here throughout the week. I'm throwing a birthday party on Friday and today is Tuesday, so I'm going to clean up the entire thing. Bedroom, beauty room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, hallway. But yeah, not right now because I have to eat this porridge. I made myself some porridge for breakfast. I've been loving porridge. yeah, I have to eat that, and then I have to get going to make sure I make it in time for my filler appointment. And yeah, I'm just drinking some Diet Coke. I have seriously been drinking too much soda recently. Ever since I started on my weight loss journey, I have been drinking too much soda. I drink about half a liter a day, which is too much. But it kind of, because there are no calories in diet soda, it kind of replaces like a lot of like the snacks I would regularly have. So it's helping me to lose weight, but I'm not happy about my intake. I definitely think I drink too much. It's not good for my health. It's not good for my teeth. It's not something I want to drink every single day, but right now I am. I feel like I'm getting addicted, and I don't really know what to do to you know, kick the habit. I have tried drinking water with cucumber and with lemon. Doesn't work. I've tried drinking tea. Doesn't work. So I don't really know. If you guys got any ideas, if any of you guys have been through the same thing and have actually kicked your soda drinking habit, I would love to know, because I don't know what to do. And by the way, I'm sorry I'm looking so oily. I'm sweating, okay? It's really hot. By the way, that is my porridge. I'm just waiting for it to cool down a bit so I can eat it. I don't like it too hot. And yeah, it's basically just oatmeal and then a tablespoon of sugar and then a teaspoon of it's not butter, it's kind of a butter substitute, so it has less calories, but it tastes really good in my opinion. And that is what I eat for breakfast. And I believe it has like around, like a little less than 250 calories. And I do really find that porridge really fills me up. So yeah, I really do like this for my breakfast. But anyways, it is, let me see, it is 2 minutes past 1. I have to be there at 1:45. And it takes, according to Google Maps, it takes 20 minutes to walk the distance. And I want to make sure I get there on time. So yeah, before I eat this porridge, I just wanted to show you guys my before face. So this is what my cheekbones look like now. You can see I don't have that much volume in this cheek compared to this one. This side is the best side of my face. So I'm hoping I can get a little more filler over, especially over on this cheek, to raise it up a little bit. And then I hope it can also just raise this part so my face doesn't look super saggy. If you can tell, it's a little bit ugh. And then afterwards I'm planning to go shopping, and then I might lay out in the sun. I'll see how I feel. But yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'm going to eat this and then I'm going to get going. So yeah, I'll talk to you later.
Times when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
Okay, so I'm back home. I am so sorry that I did not vlog while I was out. I was feeling a little bit of anxiety as I was walking to my... I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I was feeling a little bit anxious while I was walking to my filler appointment. So I didn't really have energy to vlog. And then once I got done with the filler, I was just kind of on a high from the filler, like not an actual high, but you know, just high from the experience. And I'm sorry, I'm sweating and my face is so red. My face get red like this. But yeah, anyways, I'm back from getting filler. So these are my new cheekbones. Look at this side. For some reason I always bleed more on this side. Like on this side it's fine, it's just, you know, a little show of blood. But over here I actually have blood falling down my face. So I look like a hot ass mess right now. I'm thinking about going outside, lay a little bit in the sun to enjoy the nice weather. But first I want to show you guys what I got. And by the way, my cheeks are swollen right now, and of course they are bloody. It's going to look much better tomorrow. But yeah, excuse my appearance. It's just so hot. I can barely like contain myself. So I just got a few food items just because I need something for lunch. Then I got a few painkillers. I already have some painkillers, but I needed this kind because the kind that I currently have, they make you, I don't know, there's something about blood and everything that you can't use those painkillers when you have filler. So I needed this kind. I also went ahead and purchased every single one of the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners, at least every single one they had in the store that I went to. I have had my eye on these for a long time. Woo. And yeah, I thought I would go ahead and get them as a little birthday gift for myself. So here they are. So excited about them. And then finally I got a few things for my upcoming birthday party. So I just got some paper plates, I got some napkins, I got some paper straws, I got these kind of shot glasses, I got one more foil balloon, I also got some paper cups, and finally I got a new set of earphones because my other pair broke. I always buy the cheap earphones, they are really bad quality, but I break earphones like nobody's business. Like, I have bought $100 earphones and I broke them within a month. So now I just stick to the cheap ones. These last for me probably a month or so, maybe 2 months. And then I buy a new one because I don't know, me and headphones or earphones, we just don't work together. I fuck it up every single time. Like, I have went through probably 100 earphones or headphones in my lifetime. But yeah, anyways, you can see I'm kind of going for like a rainbow flag, gay pride kind of theme for my birthday party. I just thought that would be fun. Just, you know, some bright colors. So anyways, I think I'm going to wear these sunglasses because I'm looking like such a hot mess. I might need something to cover up my face real quick. But yeah, anyways, those were the things that I got. So just, you know, some general birthday preparations. I think I'm going to get myself a little bit of lunch. It is about 3 p.m. now. And then I think I might go out in the backyard of my apartment complex and just chill, maybe, perhaps. I'm not sure yet. I'll see how I feel after lunch. But yeah, perhaps. Okay, so I just had lunch. Hopefully I don't have anything stuck in my teeth. Anyways, I'm not going to go outside or, you know, lay outside because the sun is quickly disappearing from my backyard, and that means I'll have to lay in like the park that is, it's not really a park, but it's kind of a park that is right next to my backyard. But there are quite a few people and I just don't feel up to that task. So I'm going to stay inside. And by the way, I did wash away the blood. And that thing you see there is the pimple, not blood, just a big bad pimple. I am going to do a load of laundry. It's beginning to pile up and I need a clean sheet for my party on Friday because one of my friends is staying the night. So yeah, I need to do that. Probably need to clean up the mess I've made out of, you know, all, excuse my leg, out of all the things I bought. And then I'm going to go over to my parents' house because yeah, we're going to have a little like birthday brunch tomorrow morning, and then we are going out to eat at night. Yes, my birthday is very centered around eating. So yeah, anyways, I think that's it. Okay, so I actually ended up not doing laundry and instead actually laying outside for a little while. I was only laying outside for like half an hour, and only like 5 minutes or 10 minutes of that half hour was in actual sun. Yeah, the sun just went away, but it was still nice and hot, so I just laid out there for a bit, just got some fresh air. But yeah, anyways, I'm feeling pretty tired today, pretty drained. But yeah, that's all I have been doing, and I'm just going to pack away these you know, birthday things. So I'm just throwing all of these things into this plastic bag. This is kind of hard doing with just one hand. And I'm going to put away these NYX liners just in my beauty room. And I'm wearing shoes indoors today. Normally I would not do this, but these shoes are kind of hard to get on and off, so I'm making an exception. But yeah, anyways, this is my setup. A little bit messy. I filmed a video the other day. And you know what? I think I'm just going to... Oops. I'm just going to lay it there, and we are going to get back to that later. Bye. By the way, do you guys see this? My mom got this for me. My mom just got home from the Faroe Islands, and she got this for me. It is for flowers, and she also got this nail polish for me. I am so happy to have my mom home. I have missed her so much. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So yeah, I'm just going to put this bag away until I need it on Friday. I'm just going to put it in here because there is some free space in here. And yeah, I do think I'm going to cut off the vlog now. I'm not feeling super great. I don't know if you guys can notice, but I'm just not feeling 100%. I'm quite tired. So yeah, anyways, that is all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, even if it was a bit messy and all over the place. So yeah, I'm going to go see my parents now and get ready for my birthday tomorrow. I'm so excited. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So take care and bye bye.